Happy Thanksgiving, man.
That was thinking.
Thanks.
And I'm selling them for 500 and pop, goddammit. I sell anything on my hustler, I know how to put this.
So I can't imagine the ones we can't see go by.
Right?
Yeah, those are the ones we gotta try to catch. The ones that we can see ain't eating nothing.
Hey, nice.
Oh. Farmer.
At least that school, hopefully that school's biting now, man.
That's what it looks like. They're starting to chase too. Bro, they're all over the place right here.
Yeah, they're all over there too.
They're not biting for
They're so scared of everything, or they're just been fucked up already.
They're just everywhere right here. I suck, bro. I suck.
You remind me of me Doritos right now.
Dude, I suck so bad. Oh, look at all the rainbows. Look at them all. Look at them all. Look at that shit, dude. Oh my god. Bro, I don't know what to say right now.
I'm trying everything I can right now.
I don't know what to say. They're everywhere right here.
But I noticed they react more when it's on the bottom.
I should put that tiny little fly on.
Yeah, you should. No lie.
I should,
Yeah, give it more of a natural look.
God damn it. Hail Mary. Is it the same thing over there?
I think these are just been fit up so much.
This thing's gonna get them. Oh, there's a bunch of rainbows. Bunch of them, like 10. Man, I wish I would have put this 64 on earlier. Oh, 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 ow! Oh, the rainbows are all over it, man. Oh, biter. Biter. They're biting now. Yeah, oh yeah. That's... Hey man, I love the honesty. That's awesome. Oh man, at least I could say I left them biting now. These things are like about to bust open, dude. Yeah, the way they're acting, like they want to eat.
Yeah, as soon as one of them starts biting,
Whee! Oh, they just don't want my shit, bro. Oh, 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 oh! I got him! Oh, I got him that time.
Hey, you got the white. Oh, that one jumped nice. Dude, it's gold.
Now you're gonna stay here for the 5 hours.
No.
It looks like a blue. Oh, it looks gold, huh? It's like a blue in the lightning. Yeah.
Yes. I fucking got
There's
one.
no final, huh?
I fucking got one. I got it. And that 64 hand tie I've been using for crappie or bluegill and tilapia.
Oh, is it the black?
Yeah. It's the hand tie. Oh, I got one. I got one. I got one. That was sick. Oh, look at that one. Sick. Right there, right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, that's dope. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Sick. Custom hand tie.
I like this photo.
So let them revive, I guess. On that 164 custom hand tie, man. I literally was watching them chase and chase and chase. Oh, that was fun. See you later, buddy. Yes. Yes. Right at the last minute.